Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by confirming compatibility. Check whether your GPS supports Bluetooth, Wi-Fi, or needs a wired USB/aux connection, and why that matters for latency and updates. Enable location and power features, charge the unit above 50%, and plug in any required adapter now. Once done, set your car stereo to pairing or the correct input. Make sure to disable airplane mode on the GPS so signals can sync. These first steps prevent wasted time and flaky connections later. You'll pair or connect next. For Bluetooth, make the GPS discoverable and confirm the PIN shown on both screens, because mismatched codes block audio or navigation prompts. If using a wired USB or CarPlay/Android Auto, select the corresponding input on the head unit and allow data access when prompted, which lets maps and voice guidance display. Once connected, open any companion app, sign in, grant location and storage permissions, and update maps so route calculations are accurate. This avoids rerouting mid-drive. You finish by validating the whole system. Start a short test route, listen for voice instructions through the car speakers, and check that the map aligns with your current position, because accuracy matters for safety. Once satisfied, make minor adjustments to volume and display brightness, and save the vehicle as a home or frequent location if available. If something goes wrong, reboot both devices, forget and repair Bluetooth, swap the USB cable or adapter, and make sure firmware and app updates are installed. This usually fixes persistent issues.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.